Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to turn off Google's AI overview feature. So step 1, enter your search query into Google and then select the More tab next to Images, News, Videos, etc. Step 2, click Web on the drop-down menu that appears. There is another significantly more elaborate option as well that automatically sends your searches directly into the Web tab, which I go into below. It only takes a minute or two to set up, and then you don't have to select the Web tab every time you search for something new. Step 3, first you have to navigate to your search engine settings. To do that, click into your URL bar, enter chrome/settings/search engines and press return. Step 4, you see several search engine pop up. Scroll down and click the add button next to the heading site search. Step 5, once you click the add button, a prompt will appear titled add site search. Give this search engine a name such as Google Web and enter Google under shortcut. Then under URL with %s in place of query, enter the following shows in this picture. Step 6, once that's created, scroll to your new search engine, click to the hamburger icon and select Mac default. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.